Alright guys, this is my kayak setup. This is all my stuff's in here. The only thing that I don't have in here are my clothes and my battery pack and my phone charger for my phone. But besides all that, I've got everything else in here. I've got my food in here. I've got all my gear, everything I need. This is what it looks like. Ready to go. Taking one fishing pole. Taking a small thing. I might even actually cut that down and not even take near as much of that stuff. But got my fishing pole. Got my feel-free cooler. These are my sandals I'm taking, open-toed sandals. I got a little bottle of oil here for in case we catch some fish, might be able to fry some fish up. Got my life preserver. Got a ratchet strap here. Just never know when you're gonna need one. Got my pole. And then I got, of course, my fillet knife there. And then this is my console in the boat. I keep the stuff I need to get handy, real quick. I got phone case. Got that at Walmart for $5. Got the floating koozie. You've got to have a floating koozie. Got some sunscreen there. We got my knife, more knife. My Sawyer water filter. Some moist wipes, a lighter, we got a little bit of toilet paper, got the little survival kit, an emergency space blanket, got a couple little towels. You wet them and they expand, you use to clean up with, mop up with. I got this Mio electrolytes. Instead of being able to take a bunch of Gatorades, I'll just filter my water and squirt some of that in my water and help keep my electrolytes up. Got me a Gerber multi-tool, nothing fancy. Bug spray. Got the first aid kit, and it's got just normal band-aids, some anti-diarrheals, Benadryls, a little bit of chapstick, headache medicine, just a few little things you might need. Nothing major serious. I got me some plastic forks and spoons, just a few of them there. And then I got a thing of waterproof matches. Alright, that's just the stuff I keep on the outside there, stuff I get too quickly. And here's my stuff I've all got packed. This right here is my sleep system. This is everything I need. I just pull this bag out and I'll be ready to go to bed. I got my top quilt, my under quilt. That's my 12-foot tarp, my hammock, and tree straps. If you don't know what the under quilts are, top quilts, that takes the place of a sleeping bag. It's made basically for a hammock. Let's see here. And this here I just got a little plate, skillet, and got a bunch of extra ropes and strings, stuff like that. Never know when you need to tie stuff off. This is my personal items. I got some antacids, a little toothpick, some underarm deodorant, toothpaste. There's a hand soap, eye stuff for my contacts, cover contacts. This is a Melaleuca oil, if I said that right. Melaleuca oil, something or other. Anyhow, it's for scrapes and bites and things you put on yourself. I've got some, whatever that stuff is for your hands. Whatever you said, yeah. Anyhow, I got another one of the little deals. Toothbrush, chapstick, hand sanitizer. What this stuff was. These are my stakes for my tarp. This here is cook set. And a few little odd and ends. Of course, I've got to put all these things in smaller bags. I need some more bags, but anyhow, I've got this is my shower caddy. I do plan on washing my face and hair out there, so yeah, it'll be still Buffalo River water, but at least I'll wash the sweat and dirt off me. I've got little sponge things for my pot and pan. There's my pot. There's my what's it called, compass. Got my fuel for my little alcohol stove. And I've got my headlamp, which I need to get some extra batteries. Is another thing I don't have. Then I got a saw, hand saw. And then I've got a big thing of toilet paper. And then this one right here. Let's get it out. It has all my food in it. I'm not going to take my food out. So, besides that, that's it, guys. That's all the stuff for our 2016 September float trip.